G'day, Sarah from the Bureau here with your national weather forecast for tomorrow. So that's Friday the 14th of August. So we'll start off by taking a look at tomorrow's weather map. We have this very strong and slow-moving high-pressure system in the Bight that extends a ridge into the interior and into eastern parts of the country, bringing generally settled and dry weather with morning fog and frost patches. While out in the west, this trough drawing some tropical humidity inland, bringing showers and risk of a thunderstorm. Then down in the southeast, this cold front brushing past Tasmania, bringing another burst of showery conditions. So let's go around the country now, state by state, starting with Queensland. It's going to be a generally dry and sunny day across much of the state, with just some morning frost patches throughout inland parts of the central areas and southern interior, where some locations may see minimum temperatures below zero. Otherwise, the risk of a light shower about the east coast and also about the peninsula. Daytime maximum temperatures near average for this time of year for Brisbane, a mostly sunny day and a top of 24 degrees. Down in New South Wales, it's also going to be a generally dry and sunny day across much of the state, with just a slight chance of a shower about that east coast, but as well out in that far southwest. Daytime temperatures are expected to be near 20 along coastal areas and also across the far north, grading to the mid-teens elsewhere as we head further inland. For Sydney, a sunny day and a top of 20 degrees, while for Canberra, morning frost, then a partly cloudy day with a top of 16. Moving on to Victoria, morning fog and frost patches are possible across northern parts of the state, and then just some very isolated showers generally on and south of the ranges. For Melbourne, a partly cloudy day with a shower or two developing from late morning and a top of 16 degrees. Moving on to Tasmania, just some isolated showers through western parts ahead of this cold front, which will bring a burst of those showery conditions that will gradually clear during the evening. For Hobart, we've got a partly cloudy day with some showers developing from mid-morning, then clearing during the evening, a top of 14. Moving on to South Australia, morning fog patches are possible throughout the west coast and the Eyre Peninsula, and some morning frost patches about the Flinders Ranges. There's also a risk of some very light showers through the southeast, which will mainly be about the windward slopes and coasts, but otherwise a generally dry and partly cloudy day elsewhere. For Adelaide, a partly cloudy day with a shower or two, most likely during the morning, a top of 17 degrees. Moving on to WA, we've got some showers or possible showers and even a risk of a thunderstorm developing throughout the day through the interior. And there's also a risk of a shower throughout the southeast or even some drizzle patches. In the southwest, however, dry and mostly sunny conditions. For Perth, morning fog and frost patches are possible, but then clearing to a sunny day with a top of 22. Moving on to the Territory, it's a generally dry and sunny day across much of the state, with just the risk of a shower developing later about the very far southwest. Morning fog patches are possible about the west coast of the top end, and we do have a dry southeasterly surge that will push its way up into the top end throughout the day. For Darwin, a sunny day with a maximum of 34 degrees. So if you're wanting a more detailed forecast for your local area, you can head to the Bureau's website or app. Otherwise, we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.